Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A4 B8 grille. Start by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the battery negative terminal before beginning. Remove the front bumper fasteners, then gently pull the bumper free to access the grille. Unclip the old grille tabs and remove any hidden screws. Test fit the new grille, secure it with clips and screws, and reattach the bumper. Reconnect the battery and test hood alignment. Have a clean workspace and lay out tools before starting. You will need a T25 Torx, flat pry tool, ratchet with 10 mm socket, panel clips, and a soft cloth. Wear gloves to protect paint and fingers. Keep small parts in a tray to avoid loss. Inspect the new grille for correct tabs and finish before installation. Take photos of the original setup for reference and to ease reassembly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Darn Tough socks have a lifetime warranty and exceptional durability for long shop sessions, and they stay comfortable all day. They come in various thicknesses and merino blends for odor control during sweaty jobs and differing climates. I link the product and other deals in the description, so check that for offers. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new grille tabs with the bumper openings and press firmly until you hear clicks. Reinstall any screws removed earlier and replace broken clips with fresh ones as needed. Ensure even gaps around the grille and adjust hood latch if necessary. Test the grille by gently pulling to confirm secure fit. Refit the bumper and tighten all fasteners to spec without over-torquing. Finish by polishing the area and checking for rattle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.